Why is understanding the Pacs.008 message in the Swift ISO20022 so crucial? Well, for starters, it's the ISO20022 equivalent of existing MT103, MT103+, MT103 Remit, MT102 and MT102 messages. Part of the CBPR+ portfolio, this message is fundamental to the interbank cross-border leg of payments. It's sent by the debtor agent to the creditor agent either directly or via other agents and/or a payment clearing and settlement system. Its function to move funds from a debtor account to a creditor. Now, let's break down the Pacs.008 message. It's considerably larger and more structured than the MT103 and primarily consists of two parts: the group header and the credit transfer transaction information. The group header is the set of characteristics shared by all individual transactions included in the message. On the other hand, the credit transfer transaction information provides information specific to each individual credit transfer. To ensure complete transparency throughout the payment chain, the Pacs.008 message introduces dedicated fields for many more agents than its MT equivalents. This includes the debtor agent, the creditor agent, the instructing reimbursement agent, instructed reimbursement agent, the third reimbursement agent, intermediary agent 1, and so on. The Pacs.008 also has dedicated fields for intermediary agent 2 and 3, and the previous agent 1, 2, and 3. When it comes to identifying an agent, ISO messages offer three main methods: BA clearing system member ID and name and postal address. However, the name and postal address are far more granular and structured in ISO messages than in MT messages, each element of a postal address in a Pacs.008 message has a dedicated field, whether it's the street name, building number, or floor. In a Pacs.008 message, there are 5 parties, including the debtor, the creditor, the ultimate debtor, the ultimate creditor, and the initiating party. The ultimate debtor and ultimate creditor are new to ISO messages. The ultimate debtor is the party on whose behalf the debtor is instructing the payment, while the ultimate creditor is the party on whose behalf the creditor is receiving the payment. The initiating party is the party on the initiative of which the payment data is established. In conclusion, understanding the Pacs.008 message in the Swift ISO20022 is crucial due to its role in interbank cross-border payments, its detailed structure, and its transparency. It introduces new fields for agents and parties and provides more structured and detailed information about them. This helps to make the payment chain more clear and transparent.